Hello everyone, hope you guys are having an amazing day. XRP is around 62 cents. In today's video, the truth will come forth, guys. The truth will come forth into light. Not one stone will be left unturned. It's time, right? Again, Bitcoin above 39k. We gotta look at the longer term though, right? That's short-term volatility, guys. In today's video, there's a lot of insane connections. You guys ready? Now guys, we're the fun part of XRP in the XRP community. Now this is called White Interesting from David Schwartz. This weekend, I celebrate my 11-year Riddleversary. What's going on over here, guys? David Schwartz celebrating this weekend, right? Throwing up a little party here and there. First things first, starting week 49 with a bang, guys, right? Week 49th right here. As we can see, I mean, this is crazy. Week 49th takes us to December 3rd to December 9th, right? Now 49th is what? 4 plus 9 is 13, right? That's crazy because, well, you look at this. Color me shocked, guys. SEC faces sanctions in crypto case. That's insanity. But when did they wait? December 1st, which is what? 1 plus 2 is 3, 1, 3, 1, 13, right? I mean, Baba Cooks is the line, guys. This is insane. This timeline, I mean, it doesn't seem like it has been wrong at all, right? Which is insanity. Remember, this came out like years ago, right? Why? Because from November 22 to December 22, guys, we can see the transitional period, right? Scales injustice. Insanity, right? And now they're going after the SEC. Again, a level playing field will be taking place, guys, right? So there's so much happening, right? And down in the comments below, everyone's talking about congratulations, right? But wait a minute. We go back here, 65 hidden comments. Look, this weekend, right? The tweet shows about 65 hidden comments. Now, well, I'm guessing it's more now, right? But wait a minute. I didn't even know that was a feature, guys, right? You can hide any reply on your main tweet. It's been around for a while. Wow. And people can view hidden tweets as well. Someone else pointed, why would he do that though, right? So Cats is hiding all these decoder accounts because we are close to action. What's your take? Not at all. Not all were decoder comments. He's just having fun, in my opinion. Someone else says, did someone solve the riddle and whatnot, right? Or better yet, what tweet did he hide last? Crazy, guys. I didn't even know that was a feature. Wow, you learn something new every day. But it gets even more deeper if we think about it, because from Seller 17, and in-depth decode of David's Riddleversary post shows that he was giving massive liquidity comps for 3/17/24, right? March 17, 2024. So I've been looking into what the trigger could be for this liquidity event. My conclusion is that it's related to Grayscale. XRP ETF incoming in March, guys. Check the comms, right? So she goes in depth about the full-blown decode, guys. We do see a Bitcoin ETF supposedly going to get approved soon, as well as Ethereum, guys, right? What's standing? What's the last coin standing from the basket of 3, right? The top 3: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. Ta-da! Interesting. All those days and day counts show a clear pattern connecting to March 11th, 2024, which is connected via pi to XRP Victory Day. What big victory involving Grayscale will be announced on 3/11/24? Interesting. From the fake BlackRock XRP ETF on 11/13/23 to 3/11/24 equals to what? 119 days, guys. What? Wow. And wait a minute. Whoa. Oh, buckle up, guys, because put your seatbelts on, because March 11th is what? March is the 3rd month, right? In the regular calendar, 3/11, which is what? Quote unquote destruction, right? Interesting. 3 and 9 right here as well. or 3333. Right, slice the 9 apart. But that's weird, right? That's awfully strange, because when we talk about the fake XRP ETF that was circulating around Twitter, guys, it comes out to this. Check this out from BC Backer. Out of all the times I've seen XLM move with XRP, this was the most bizarre. The fake news was literally XRP specific and would impact XRP only, not XLM. If anything, you would expect XLM sell off like the rest of the markets. Instead, it mirrors why. Still makes no sense to this day, right? Check this out. We see XLM exploded. So this way he's talking about, guys. This candle right here, right? XRP fake ETF news came out and about, right? It was announced. XRP pumped. If you go to XLM right here, what did it do, guys? Let's see. It pumped. Literally the same thing. But the news was related to XRP. This is where it gets really creepy or spooky, because the news was related to XRP, but XLM pumped. It makes no sense. No other coin pumped with XRP. When Bitcoin news came out, Bitcoin pumped, right? Ethereum news came out, Ethereum only pumped, guys. But when XRP news came out, the fake ETF news, only XRP pumped with XLM. Market makers doing this. But yeah, the question is why, right? No other assets do this with XRP, guys. Let me explain to you guys why, because it seems like we have cracked the code. I'm telling you guys, in today's video, the code has been cracked, guys. This is literally why. The mystery of why XLM continues to move with XRP continues. You guys remember this movie? What was the new movie name? Elemental from Disney Pixar. Water and fire, a harmony together, encircling itself, right? A relationship, so to speak. Now, Elemental, J-Cats, Wade Ripple, Ember Lumen, right? You can't make this stuff up. The name is Wade Ripple and then Ember Lumen, guys, right? Stellar Lumen, Ripple XRP. Wait, what? Hot Air Balloon Ride. I wanna point something out. Whoever created this movie, right? Supposedly Disney, Pixar, came from them, guys. Someone had to tell them to create this movie. Think about that, right? And they complied. They agreed. Because they had to. Okay? Listen very carefully. Hot Air Balloon Ride, right? Connecting to Ripple Riddler, or that one video, guys, right? And it moves up. It floats up. Trains. It got trains as well. Supposedly, the train has left the station. 1108. We have seen that number before. Bridge scene, right? Interesting. And then Loop Troop. I haven't watched the movie, guys, but I'm pretty sure if I did, there's going to be a lot of connections, such as this. Welcome to Element City. Form M985. What? What, guys? No way. The Riddlers, not the Riddlers. I don't know who went to Disney to say, hey, create this movie, right? And implement. And literally, this is hilarious, guys. I'm done. They literally went to Disney or Pixar, right? Told them to make a movie about fire and water, a harmony between the two, include Ripple and Lumen, okay? And in one scene, in one of the scenes, have a form that states M985. Reverse, it's 589. M is what? The 13th letter. 58913. Oh my, we cracked the code. Again, we told you guys we're cracking codes like never before. Listen. Oh my, guys. The reset occurs 13. The reset will occur. It's either on a 13 or 33 something. I don't know if that's pertaining towards a date though. Wait, what? Can't make that stuff up, guys. You know what? I'm gonna go watch this movie. Just because it looks cool, right? It obviously is targeted towards the younger generation, but it's because I want to see if there are more connections. You just can't make that stuff up, right? How? Insane stuff. Now, obviously, the reason why XRP not only it was because of this occultic reason XLM moves with XRP, but it's obviously because XLM bots are programmed to mirror the moves of XRP, right? Every coin out there, there are bots that move. There are bots that are programmed to move with Bitcoin, every other asset class, right, or every other cryptocurrencies. But why specifically? Someone put out, some market maker, somebody, right? I'm going to give you guys my opinion in just a second. Somebody put out a bot that's programmed XLM to XRP to move in parallel to each other, right? Now, this is my opinion. I believe it's Jed McCaleb, right, or one of these people who are behind the scenes that did that, guys. Because you need a ton, a boatload of money, by the way, right? Nobody's doing this. Think about it just for a second, guys. Whoever did this is wealthy. Think. Coincidence? I doubt it. When it did occur, the fake XRP ETF news. Spike up, spike back down. Not only with XRP, but XLM right here. No coincidences. Well, we know everything's manipulated because I know it's a 5-minute candle, but that's the bottom line. That bottom line has lasted nearly 5 hours, guys. Now, last but not least, from Manifest, matches perfectly 12.6 to 12.6 till 12.13. I don't know where everyone's getting their decodes or numbers from, guys. Hopefully, you know, people do explain why, but I think, okay, so 12.6 till 12.13. So December 6th to the 13th, right, which correlates to November 23rd to November 30th because of the calendar change, right? So interesting, guys. Again, I do believe a lot of things are on the horizon, so let us be prepared. Not financial advice, not pertaining towards this, guys, but pertaining towards price action and possibly events as well. But let's just wait and see. Not financial advice at the end of the day. But anyways, guys, hopefully you guys amazing. See ya.